Okay, so here's a little impromptu sort of guide on how to better transform things, to line them up next to each other within OBS. So for example, I'll take this image here, resize it a little bit, move it up here. Say I want this in this corner, but I want this to line up next to it perfectly with no issues. I can, first of all, I go into the first skull, transform, edit transform, and I can see the position of the y-axis here is 48. So if I go into here and do the same, transform, edit transform, and set this one to 48, then those two images in terms of their outer edge are now lined up together perfectly. But then if I want this one to more easily match the size of this one, but go next to it, go into the first skull, transform, copy transform, go into the second skull, right click, transform, and paste transform. And now it looks like there's one, but what it's actually done is paste all the transform options. So it's put the first one over the second one. So if I go back into transform and edit transform, and I just up the position of the x-axis, there you go, I'll put it up like another couple hundred, then you'll see you can control it here from within the edit transform window. You can do a lot of stuff. You can do positional alignment, so it's aligning to different bits, alter the bounding. You can even alter the crop of the image in here, so you can crop like part of the image down and stuff much easier if you want to. The other way to actually do that is to click on these red lines within OBS, hold Alt and drag. So if you hold Alt and drag on these lines, you can crop anything. But there you go. There's some quick impromptu OBS transform tips. Yeah, enjoy. Bye.